Hi Gokul, again nice. It was a great
Hi.
time actually again meeting you.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah. Same here.
you already told about IELTS and various processes about how to choose colleges and everything. So again, you have a great channel. You're helping a lot of people out for SIDDHI
Thank you,
GOKUL.
sir.
Yeah, it was a great actually. So who are looking for the Canada process and everything, that was very good actually. I will be giving the link in the description box. If you want, you can click and directly move and ask what are the query you will be having on. So going to the topic. So can you tell me what kind of documents we need from our college? What kind of documents you have to collect at the starting of the college for Canada, or whatever it may be. So what kind of documents you have to collect from the college?
So we'll see after selecting your college and taking the admission from a specific college.
Mm.
The first thing you have to do is finding your visa.
Uh,
So that is the next process. So in that process, there are many steps to be followed.
okay.
So first, to study in detail, kindly see my channel. I have
Mm.
given you every detail in that. Here, I cannot discuss everything.
Yeah,
I'll give you a
I'll
gist.
be giving the link in the description box, and I'll be
Yeah,
in the I button. I'll be giving you the link, guys. If you have any queries, you can comment below. I'll be redirecting to the Siddhi Gokul. He have a great channel. Yeah.
yeah. So see, first, visa filing. You'll have to collect some few documents, college acceptance letter or offer letter. So it's that from a Canadian college that you have admitted,
Okay.
and recent education transcripts. So the recent education transcripts comprises of your 10th mark sheet, original mark sheet, your 12th original mark sheet, and your degree mark sheet. So simple 10th and intermediate are simple. Only one mark sheet, it will be fine. So
Yeah.
coming on to the our degree, as we are both from the same college,
Mm.
so what we face the issue is that we need to have every semester mark list.
Yeah, my God.
So yeah, that's what. Even if we have backlogs too, those backlogs mark sheets also you need to have it with
Yeah.
you. So these semester mark sheets, one
One plus
consolidated
one.
mark sheet,
Mm.
one OD original degree. So these both are required. So the education transcripts, these all comprises from college. You have to first when you complete your graduate. I mean, when you give your fourth sem examinations and your results are out, you need to apply for. You need to apply for CMS consolidated mark sheet.
Okay.
So yeah, JNTUK. We are from JNTUK, right?
Yeah.
So we have to apply online, and there is some process saying that we have to pay some fees.
Mm.
It will be of two ways. That is of what we say fast track way and one is simpler
Yeah.
way.
To get a certificate much more faster, we'll be applying for that.
Yes, yes. If you
Yeah.
need faster, you have to do that. So well, these you can. I mean, you have to pay money. That's the final thing.
Yeah.
They'll give you faster. That's all. Even college also provides you, but it does not. I mean, they take much time.
Yeah.
They take much time to give it to you. But OT, you have to for sure you have to apply online. College won't give you. Our college did not give us
Yeah.
because we did not have what we say. What's that called? Yeah, convocation.
Yeah. Conversation. Yeah.
Andhra colleges don't have convocation, right?
No, no, they
They are
have
very
because
few.
of the COVID period of time. We don't have on the time.
I was not. I mean, I did not come up with anyone saying that I had my convocation and
Yeah, a
all.
lot of people I joined after the conversation. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So we
No, universities and all, they have the convocations.
yeah,
Like JNTK affiliated colleges, they don't have. Just check
yeah.
it.
Hmm.
So that's what. OD you have to apply online. They will post you. They will speed post you. That's not called speed post. They'll post you.
Yeah,
They'll say speed post, but it won't come. It takes one
yeah.
month time. So you have to wait. So these all documents you have to keep it with you first in an transcripts, that's what educational transcripts.
Mm.
And moreover, after education transcripts, IELTS scorecard, your IELTS result after giving up the exam, and a valid passport, obviously.
Yeah,
See, one more thing, to apply IELTS also you need a passport. Okay,
yeah,
so there's a thing. So I mean, I am not saying sarcastically. Some people don't know this
yeah,
because
absolutely. Yeah,
passport na while visa processing we
we
can
can
get a
apply. Yeah,
passport
we're
they'll
doing
think,
in that way. Yeah.
but that's not the thing. Even IELTS exam should have also a passport.
Mm.
So be sure about it. And you have to give medicals for
Okay.
your visa process. Medicals and you have to give a photocopy, digital photocopy. I have see now visa processing is all of online based visa processing.
Mm.
Paper based visa processing was present previously from 5 to 6 years.
Okay.
Now they are not implementing it, but some major universities are implementing paper based
Okay.
to see the legit of the documents. Now see online may not be legit because someone can scan, edit, and everything they can do. Some major universities, top universities, accept only paper based exam visa process. So those also should be mindful. And next, after photo, GIC. Yeah. So GIC is that it is a guaranteed investment certificate.
Okay.
So it is said that for 1 year, if you are an international student and coming to Canada, you
Mhm.
should have a specific amount for
Okay.
one period of time, so that uh, you can bear your living expenses.
Okay. I got
For
it.
that, you have to um, have a GIC certificate. To acquire a GIC certificate, you have to pay around what is that, 10,000 Canadian dollars
Okay.
into one bank, and they will give you a certificate. Once you reach Canada and start your education, from the next month, sorry, once you reach Canada, once you visit your bank and start the process, they give you monthly. They divide the money and give you back.
Okay, it was like a
So this
blocked
is the
account or something, yeah, right? It was like
yeah.
a block. It was like a blocked account or something. They'll be blocking the amount and they'll be giving you for the 1 month and 2 months and everything in that way.
They'll be
Yeah.
splitting and giving you for one whole year.
Okay, I got it. I
Like
got
that. For first year they'll give you $2,000. The next, sorry, not 2,000. Yeah, 2,000 I think. I'm not sure.
it. Okay.
For first month they'll give you some extra amount. Not extra. It's not extra. From our amount they'll give you
Yeah.
extra.
Very
That's all. So the rest all month it will be equally $800. I think so. I'm not sure. You can check it out. It's not fine. Or you can check my channel.
yeah.
I've given you detailed description with that. And moreover, proof of 1 year tuition fee.
Okay.
So see, visa is of two types: SDS and non-SDS. SDS means students direct stream. So SDS is a process which what we say, it is fast. It is faster
Okay.
than non-SDS.
Okay.
There are several criteria too. So now let's see SDS. SDS, you have to give your IELTS exam only. No other English proficiency test is accepted. Okay. Next thing, you have to give your medicals in specified centers only. So
Okay.
those centers, consultancy, they will provide you. Next, you have to pay your 1 year whole tuition fee
Okay.
to the college, not visa, to the college. 1 year whole tuition fee you have to pay it. The next thing is that the next thing is that you should have a band score more than 6 and more than 6. Below 6 it is not accepted.
Okay.
So this is the catch. It's nowadays they are accepting, rare cases they are accepting, because they are welcoming every student. That's not an issue. But we make sure you are good in IELTS score. Minimum of 7, 6.5, 7 should be fine.
Okay.
And so that's what I said, proof of 1 year tuition fee. After paying your 1 year tuition fee, they'll give, the college will provide you an acknowledgement. That letter is fine. So next, after that, there is a catch. There are two types of courses: 1 year course, 2 years course.
Okay.
So for 1 year course, fine, 2 semesters done, graduation and done. For 2 years course, 1 year, 2 semesters. The second year will be third semester will be studies. Fourth semester will be work permit. Sorry, co-op.
Okay.
It's known as co-op. So co-op, yeah, technically internship.
Yeah.
It can be paid or non-paid.
Okay.
You have to search by yourself, and you have to work full time there.
Okay.
So for that, if a co-op exists in your course that you select, then you have to provide your work permit. That will be that the work permit is nothing but a simple paper. In that it will be said that this fellow is fourth semester in this course. Fourth semester is a co-op, so work permit is valid. College will provide you that. So if they do not provide, then ask them.
Okay.
So that's the catch here. So in detail, if you want everything, you can check my video. That's not an issue. And next thing is that client information. So client information consists of many. Like I'll tell you, wait, SOP.
Yeah.
So SOP is statement of purpose. So statement of purpose is that it tells what you are. That's all.
Okay.
What you are, why you are coming to Canada, everything. It should tell you. It's not. It should describe yourself.
Okay.
So everyone says that profile should be stronger. Profile should be stronger. In the sense, profile means SOP. SOP should be stronger. Everything should be interlinked professionally, educational, everything should be interlinked. Even course, why did you opt your course? Everything should be interlinked. So that's the case here. Right after SOP, if you are working, if you were working previously, then your experience letters, your pay slips, your if you have resigned, your resignation letter. And next, loan. What if you apply for a loan? Those loan sanction letters.
Okay.
And if there are any sponsors that sponsor you, then affidavit of sponsor should be there.
Okay.
So the other thing is that FDs, fixed deposits,
Fixed deposit, yeah.
ITR filing form, ITR filing, I'm not sure of that. Net worth certificate. The net worth certificate, it is important because net worth certificate has several categories like movable property, immovable property, gold property. They are segregated and they are given the value of that. It is done by CA. So that can be done. So client information is this much, and 2 visa forms.
Okay.
That will be provided by the consultancy. Those visa form is family information form and client information form. In family information form, you have to fill in the details of your family and everything. If you have a child, that's an easy thing. Client information form, it is about you. You have to fill it. They will help. Pakka consultancy will help you there. So these are all the documents required for visa processing. So you will find it difficult.
So Google, how it will be, how much time it required to get a visa process, how much process, how much time it required to get a documents collected, everything. Can you explain me much more detailing?
So we'll see. In my case, I applied for my college on July.
Okay.
So sorry, not July. Yeah, July starting.
Mhm.
So they acknowledged me within 1 day.
Okay.
They said that you are accepted for this course. Proceed with your visa filing. Proceed with your payment of the fees and this thing. And there's one more thing. Some colleges ask for whole tuition fee.
Okay.
So see, my college asked for whole tuition fee, so I have to pay it. So if I have to pay the whole tuition fee, then I have to go to the SDS type of visa. So
Okay.
this was my link. If suppose my college did not ask me for 1 year fee, then I have the choice of SDS or non-SDS.
Okay.
Did you get it? So that is a thing here. As because I have given my IELTS and I have given I have the good band score. That's why I've gone to SDS.
Okay.
So July starting, I have started collating my documents. All the documents that I mentioned earlier. It took me around 1 month, yeah.
Okay.
Totally 1 month. 1 month, not even 1 month. When did I file my visa? September 26th. See the timeline. Not even 1 month, 1.5 month. I have been struggling. I have been moving like that. It was too hectic. So if you want a detailed video how to be an early applicant, you can check my channel. It will be very useful. Yeah, it will be very useful. I have realized my mistakes. I have mentioned each and every point in that. So kindly visit that. Kindly see the video. So that's what September 26th I have applied for my visa. So this much time it takes. So you have to be accurate with every document. You have to be with every document required.
So anything which we required from ourselves from police clearance or something, is there any kind of this kind of certificate from our side from?
Yeah, well, police certificate, nothing is required.
Okay.
As per my knowledge.
Okay.
Even my friends too, no one was asked for it.
Okay.
There is no need of that. Because see, as per logic, police within India, if you are applying anything, then you need a police verification certificate, right? If you are applying for abroad, a valid passport should be there without any what we say the criminal records, previous criminal records. If any previous criminal records is there, then you have to provide your police verification and all. That process I'm not aware. Sorry for that. So, well, rest all these ITR documents, net worth certificates, and your what we say experience letters.
Okay.
Your education transcripts, it should be with you. That's all.
So finally, how much time, how much if someone is studying in the fourth year, or someone who has completed, or after 5 years or something, completed, he was having a career gap of 5 years or 2 years or something, you want to move to Canada or something. So how it will be possible? What kind of documents he need actually for the fresher, as well as for the fresher from the fourth year, as well as the person who was planning after a career gap of 5 years or 4 years?
So as a fresher, you need only education transcripts.
Okay.
Majority. So right after that, you what we say for professional, for educational gap people, you need a strong SOP.
Okay.
Strong SOP reason. So you have to mention very strongly that this is the reason. That's why I have not. That's why there is an educational gap in my career. You have to justify yourself. That's all. So there's no separate document. If so, suppose your medical health, I mean your health is not fine. Those in the span, you can provide that document too. So basically, if you are justifying it, if you have a document supporting it, you can provide it.
Okay.
That's all.
So at the last, I forgot to ask you that what is the medical test? What they'll be doing, or is that like a defense test or something, or what kind of what they'll be doing in the
See,
medical
if
test?
I start explaining it, it takes a long. I mean, it is a long process. Better go. I mean, tell your subscribers to watch my video. I have made a medical video too. I will be uploading it for sure. I have drafted everything. I just need to edit. So it will be helpful. These details cannot be explained in only one video. So better visit my channel. That's what I'm doing. Generally, it's not that medical army, those things and all. Just a physical test, a blood test, urine test, and several some like that only. It's not medical army fitness, your body weight, everything, not like that.
Okay. So anything, any points you want to add something in this, you can add it off.
So that's what, be an early applicant.
Okay.
As I mentioned in my first video, be an early applicant. Don't, even if you are lagging behind, better get a hands with the documents that are needed. Consult your consultancy various times. If even if they are annoyed, you go on asking them, no problem. They won't be annoyed. First of all, they are willing to help. They will be helpful every time. But that's what you have to ask them. You should not just sit and be an introvert. You should ask. You should seek out for help. Asking help is not a thing. Even I am also there. Even you are also there. You ask help, we'll be helping you a lot. So that's all.
So definitely thank you for your information, Gokul. And if
Yes,
anyone have queries, comment below. I'll be giving your channel links, every link. What kind of medical test, what will be the medical test we're doing, going for Canada or any kind of masters who are planning to it. So I'll be giving you every link detailedly. You can go and watch our Gokul videos. It was very useful, guys. So thank you, Gokul. Thank you for your information, which is very helpful for a lot of people who are trying to plan their masters in whatever the country it may be. Thank you so much.
yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you for this opportunity.